How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 55 Pontiac Chieftain. Super cool car, guys. It's all original panel, rust-free car. It's been updated with a 455 with a 400 turbo trans. So I really like all the chrome on the front of this car. The front bumper is the original, and it's in really good condition. It got a little bit of pitting or fading to it. The hood suspenders are in excellent condition. It's done in a red and white two-tone with a red and white interior. All the side glass and windshield is new. It's got a set of Riddler 17-inch wheels, new tires. Rear bumper is excellent shape. Very, very nice condition. All the taillight bezels and the quarter vents there, those are excellent shape. Super, super cool car. Fun to drive. Those are 17-inch Riddler wheels. Now this is an early 70s 455 4-barrel, dual exhaust. Just a super cool 400 turbo trans in it. Thing runs and drives down the road beautifully. Just a fun car. And I tell you, these Chieftains, really tough to come by a nice one. Very, very clean car. They did add a tach in the dash. Fits real nice, looks nice. They did AM, FM, CD stereo. The headliner is all real nice. Nice little armrest center console there. Hold your beverages as you're out cruising. All the interior is very, very nice in the car. Got your jack, your spare. This is a clean old cruiser here, guys. I've had the opportunity to put about 60 miles on this car. Just fun car to drive and enjoy. This is the second Chieftain I've had. You just don't see many of them, pretty rare. Fires right up. Smooth, good running motor in it. Wipers, everything works. Backup light, everything on this car works. Got a good sound out the back. It backup lights, everything worked. Just a fun car, guys. Get in this car, drive it, cruise it, enjoy it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.